This happens to be a Windows server, but this should work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, let's open up PowerShell, so click on the Windows logo and do a search for PowerShell and run it as administrator. Now let's run the command w32tm /query /status. You can copy the command from the description below. So now that we've run this command, we can see what's going on with this computer, and we can see that it's a free running clock, and that's not syncing with any time server, and this is not good. If you don't sync with the time server, your system time can drift, and that'll cause many problems. So let's run a command that will set the time servers. You can get this command down in the description. This command will have two time servers. One of them is time.google.com and the other one is time.windows.com. In case one's not available, it's great to have two in the command. If you have a company time server, you can put that in the command instead. Tap enter and it will show that your command is run successfully. Make note that the command to run a command prompt is slightly different than the command to run in a PowerShell window. Now that we have that set, let's run the query again. We can see that our time is now syncing with the time server time.google.com. And if we look up at the stratum number, we see it's at stratum level 2. Lower numbers are better. 1 and 2 and 3 are better than higher stratum numbers. Our system is now syncing on a regular interval with the time server, but just to be sure when we're all done, open up the services application. Scroll down to the service called Windows Time Service. Right click on it and tell Windows Time Service to restart. The next thing to do is check the time zone. To do that, type the command Get-TimeZone and tap enter. It says here we're on Mountain Standard Time. If you're in that time zone, then you're good to go and you don't need to change anything else. To find out other time zones available, type the command Get-TimeZone /ListAvailable. Now you'll see all the available time zones. You can scroll through and find the time zone that you're in case you're in Pacific or Central or Eastern Time or anywhere in the world. You can get that exact time zone ID name and use this in the next command. Type the command set-timezone then you'll quote Mountain Standard Time close quote. Or you put the ID of the time zone that you would like, then tap enter. Now your Windows time is set and syncing to the right time zone and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.